Hi guys, welcome back to Mom Toxic. In today's video, we are gonna show you guys 5 easy and cute hairstyle at home. So without further ado, let's get started.
So we are gonna do a half French braid. To do that, first we are gonna take the 3 strands of hair like a normal braid. Then put a strand behind another strand and take a thin strand of a hair and do the braid as usual. Repeat the same thing over and over. Take a strand, make an usual braid. Again take a strand, make an usual braid, and it will give that amazing effect you will want. After doing French braid of half of your hair, continue the braid as usual and tie a knot at the end. Put a bow to make it look cute. For the second one, take the free end of the French braid and round it up like a half bun and secure it with a bobby pin. It will give the amazing effect of a braid bun, and it's also super easy to do. For the next one, part your hair and do a Dutch braid on both of the sides. Take 3 strands, then take another strand of hair and twist it up. And continue as the usual braid. You can see how I am doing it. Do it like that. It will give this effect of a braid outside of your hair. And then continue the braid as usual. Do the same thing on the other side. Take the 2 free ends and tie it up like this. Put the free end through another braid and secure it with a bobby pin. I have used colored rubber bands, but don't use colored rubber bands, they don't look that good. And you can see how amazing this hairstyle looks. Do an usual braid on one side. Pull it up a little like this so that it becomes a little wider. Take a thin strand and pass it through the braid. You can see how I am doing this. Follow this procedure. Do it 4 to 5 times, then it will give an amazing effect. And after doing that, you can secure it with a bobby pin at the side, or also you can put a fashionable clip or a bow or something like that. It is super easy and super trendy. For the next one, tie a high ponytail, twist it and then round it up around the rubber band. It will give the amazing ballerina bun. and secure it with a rubber band. Use a few bobby pins if needed. Pull it up a bit so that it looks voluminous, and put a bow or a clip, or you can just leave it as it is.